Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Sma. My name is Sma. I am back with yet another video, and today I'll be showing you how I make my easy, and when I mean easy, I mean easy sticky chicken wings. And firstly, obviously what we're going to need are some chicken wings. I've already washed and patted dry my chicken wings. I have a quarter cup of tomato sauce. I have a third of a cup of barbecue sauce. I have a quarter cup of brown sugar, and I have a mixture of spices here. I have 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of barbecue spice, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I also have 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. So firstly, what I'm going to do, let me just get these off the way. What I'm going to show you is how I prep my chicken wings. So I'm just going to cut the tips off and cut them into 2 to make winglets. So I just use a knife. I find it easier to use a knife. If you have kitchen scissors, you can use kitchen scissors. Okay, so chicken wings done. I've cut them into half, and this is what they look like. So I'm just going to put these to one side. Let's just get rid of that as well. And I'm now going to start with prepping my marinade. I have a clean bowl for that, and I'm going to start with the tomato sauce. Barbecue. Put in the brown sugar and spices, not forgetting the Worcestershire. And I'm just going to mix this up. Mix it up. Okay guys, so this recipe you can make it 2 ways. Okay, so if you feel like something a little fatty, you can deep fry the wings. You're just going to season them a bit with the garlic salt and the salt and pepper, and then you deep fry them. And then what you're going to do with the very same amount of ingredients, you're going to reduce the marinade. You're going to reduce the marinade after deep frying the wings, and then you're going to dunk them. And if you feel like you need your marinade a bit thicker and more sticky, just double the ingredients. Okay, so the marinade is ready. Just going to season these, just a little salt, and dunk them in here. And I'm just going to use my hands. I like working with my hands, guys. I find mixing with my hands easier. If you're cooking, be prepared to get a little messy. Okay, so I'm going to put this away in the fridge. I'm going to let them just sit in the fridge for about 2 hours to marinate and let the flavors marry. and then after 2 hours it'll be ready for baking. And if you are able to marinate your wings overnight, even better. The flavors would be popping the next day. So I don't have much time, so I'm just going to marinate them for 2 hours at least, and then I'll be ready to fry them. Okay guys, so I've just taken these out of the fridge and they're now ready to be baked. I'm going to bake them for about 25 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. And I just have my pan here. I'm just going to dip them. Okay, so I'm going to pop them in the oven now and then bake for, like I said, about 30 to 35 minutes and they'll be done. Okay, so these just came out of the oven. I'm just going to transfer them from the pan to a dish. Okay, and this is what they look like, and I have here a couple of sprigs of chives. I'm going to use them for garnishing, but they're not only just for garnishing, they also help with the richness of the wings. You can use whatever garnish you want. You can also use sesame seeds or spring onion if you want a bit more of a kick. So guys, I usually serve these wings with a salad, or you can make chips, sweet potato chips. You can make mac and cheese. You know, you can, yeah, be creative with it and enjoy. Try out the recipe, let me know what you think, and I promise you, you won't regret trying it. So until the next time, I'm out.